Chapter 1: A Small Island, a Big Dream. Cristiano Ronaldo was born in Madeira, a small island off the coast of Portugal. His family didn't have much. His father worked as a kit man. His mother was a cook and cleaner. For children in a tiny house. No luxury. No comfort. But even then, Ronaldo had something far more valuable: vision. As a child, he would kick anything he could find: a ball, a bottle, even a rolled-up sock. He played for hours, sweating under the sun, dreaming of becoming a professional footballer. When he was 12 years old, he left his family behind and moved to Lisbon to join a football academy. Just imagine that. A young boy, barely a teenager, in a big city, far away from home, surrounded by strangers, scared, alone, but determined. He cried almost every night. But he never gave up. That's lesson number 1. Sometimes, chasing your dream will make you cry. Keep chasing it anyway. Chapter 2: Pain is the Price. Ronaldo wasn't born the strongest. In fact, kids used to mock him for being too skinny. They laughed at his accent. Some called him a nobody. So what did he do? He trained harder. Lifted more. Ran longer. Practiced obsessively. While others were sleeping, he was sweating. While others were playing, he was grinding. He said once,
"I train my mind more than my body."
You see, people think greatness comes from talent. But greatness? Greatness is built in the dark, through pain, sacrifice, and focus. Ronaldo didn't wait for motivation. He created discipline. Chapter 3: The Breakthrough. At 16, Ronaldo made his professional debut for Sporting Lisbon. A year later, he played a game against Manchester United, and he was unstoppable. His speed. His skill. His confidence. It was unreal. After that match, Sir Alex Ferguson, the legendary coach, signed him immediately. At just 18 years old, Ronaldo was wearing the red of Manchester United. The boy from Madeira had arrived on the world stage. But this was just the beginning. He could have relaxed. He could have said, "I've made it." But Ronaldo doesn't believe in arriving. He believes in evolving. Every single day, he trained like he was still chasing his first dream. While others celebrated, he prepared. While others partied, he practiced. That's how champions think. Chapter 4: Becoming a Legend. At Manchester United, he won titles. He became one of the best. But he wanted more. In 2009, he joined Real Madrid for a record-breaking fee. There, he broke almost every record. Over 450 goals. For Champions League trophies. For Ballon d'Or awards. His training sessions were legendary. He was often the first to arrive and the last to leave. A teammate once said, "You train like it's your first day and play like it's your last." Ronaldo lived by one simple rule: be the best. Or work until you are. Chapter 5: The Hate That Fueled Him. But let's not pretend it was all glory. Ronaldo faced endless criticism. People called him arrogant. Some said he wasn't a team player. Others said he was too emotional. But here's what he did. He used every insult as fuel. Every comment was turned into energy. Every doubt became a reason to rise. He once said,
"Your love makes me strong. Your hate makes me unstoppable."
That's a mindset we all need. Don't run from the hate. Use it. Flip it. Prove them wrong. Chapter 6: The Champion Mentality. What makes Cristiano Ronaldo a legend isn't just the trophies or goals. It's his mentality. He's obsessed with improving. Even in his late 30s, he's still faster and fitter than players half his age. Why? Because he doesn't compare himself to others. He competes with the person he was yesterday. He said,
I'm not a perfectionist, but I like to feel that things are done well. More than that, I feel an endless need to learn, to improve, to evolve.
This is the heart of greatness. Don't aim to be the best in the world. Aim to be the best version of yourself. Every single day. Chapter 7, Legacy. Today, Cristiano Ronaldo is a global icon. One of the greatest athletes of all time. But his story is not about football. It's about faith, focus, fire. He came from nothing and created everything. No handouts. No shortcuts. And that means you can too. You may not have Ronaldo's feet, but you can have his mindset. Chapter 8, Your Move. Where are you in your journey right now? Maybe you're starting from zero. Maybe people laugh at your dream. Maybe you failed once, twice, 10 times. But remember this. So did he. And he didn't stop. You are not behind. You are building. You are not broken. You are becoming. So today, decide. Decide to work harder. Think bigger. Push further. Because if Cristiano Ronaldo can rise from a tiny island to global greatness, so can you. Thank you for tuning in to Easy English Learning. If this episode lit a fire in you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, greatness is a decision you make every day. Until next time, keep rising, keep grinding, and never, ever quit.